Yeah, 그런데 what is your name?
Miara.
Miara? How about what is your name?
Jenny.
Hmm?
Jenny.
Jenny from Blackpink.
Jenny, you.
Yeah, she's actually from Blackpink.
Yeah, you, what's your name?
Hyacinth.
Hyacinth? And
Frisia.
how about
Angel.
Well,
Angel?
Bianca.
Yeah, 반갑습니다, 반갑습니다. Yeah, you know what is my name?
I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
I follow you on TikTok.
Yeah, just call me Park.
Park.
Yeah, Park. But my full name is last name is Long. Long.
Park no?
Park Long.
Tae Park.
No. The Park no? The Park no?
Tae Park. Yeah, Tae Park.